In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF portrait to landscape. We're using a quick rotation method in Adobe Acrobat that changes how the content is oriented on the page without altering the actual page size. This is perfect when a document was scanned sideways, or when you simply want to view and share it in landscape orientation. Keep in mind, you're rotating what's on the page, not resizing the page itself. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, head to the Tools area and choose Organize Pages. This view shows you all your pages as thumbnails, which makes it easy to see what's currently portrait and what needs to be turned. Next, select the pages you want to rotate. You can click a single page, hold Shift to select a range, or use the common shortcuts to highlight everything if the whole document needs rotation. Take a moment to confirm your selection by checking the blue outlines around the thumbnails. This helps avoid accidentally rotating pages you didn't intend to change. Now, use the Rotate Clockwise or Rotate Counterclockwise buttons. Each click rotates the selected pages by 90 degrees. If the page needs to turn all the way around, click twice for a 180-degree change. As you rotate, you'll see the thumbnails update immediately, which is a great way to verify orientation before you finalize anything. Once everything looks correct, save your file. You can overwrite the original if you're confident, but I recommend using Save As to create a new, clearly named version. That way, you always have the original to fall back on. After saving, reopen the PDF or scroll through to confirm the rotation took effect across all the intended pages. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're rotating for printing or presenting, you can still choose Landscape in your print dialog for best results, even though the underlying page size hasn't changed. If you notice that only some pages needed adjustment, double-check your selection and rotate just those pages rather than the entire file. And if you ever rotate the wrong way, simply click the opposite rotate button to correct it. That's it. You've quickly converted the viewing orientation from portrait to landscape by rotating the content in Adobe Acrobat without changing page size. It's simple, fast, and ideal for fixing sideways scans or mismatched pages. Save your changes, review the results, and you're ready to share or print with the correct orientation.